Tracking the time we spend on activities for matters and clients is critical to the firm's financial health. Basic billing supports time tracking, but not expense. We use the timesheet to quickly capture time for billing. To access the timesheet, go to Billing and select Timesheet. The timesheet opens as a small window, but we can expand it to have more room to work. The current date and staff records are shown in the top left and act as a filter for what's shown on the page. Time entries for the current week and staff show in the columns below. For quick time entry, we type the number of hours to be recorded. Press any numeric key on your keyboard to open the timesheet entry window. For this entry, let's press the number 2. A timesheet entry window opens showing the hours we entered. Let's add another half hour to that original 2 hours. Then select a billing code, which helps identify the type of charge on the bill for the client. These codes can be customized for the firm by the system administrator. For this time entry, let's choose Court. Only one billing code can be selected per time entry. Next, we enter a description for the activity. Then attach the entry to a specific matter or client so that it can be billed appropriately. Let's look up the matter and select it from either the active, archive, or recent list. The matter for this entry is City of West Palm Beach versus Hopkins. We double-click to pick it. Notice that both the matter and client information are now populated. We can also indicate a charge status. The default is billable, but we could change it to do not bill, no charge, or additional charge if needed. This entry is billable, so we leave it as is. The timesheet entry form is a convenient way to quickly record time spent on activities, but it is limited in the details it can capture. Notice we can't assign classification codes, change the date, staff, rate, or level for the charge, or add notes to it. When we need to add more details to time entries, the billing form is a better option. It can be accessed from the timesheet by clicking the Add button on the toolbar. This same form is available from the Billing tab on any matter or contact. Since the current time entry is straightforward, we can save it and move on to our other activities. Now that you are familiar with how to use the timesheet entry form, you can learn more about the billing form by selecting that lesson.